Hello, Baby Cro! Today we will overview the model of the car seat for infants from the German brand Britax Romer Baby Safe. The design of the car seat is thought over to the smallest details. It is comfortable and attractive from the outside, intended for use from birth. This car seat was recognized as the best in the 0-0+ category, according to Loved by Parents since 2012. Let's take a look at it in more detail. Specifications. The carrier can be used for babies from birth until they reach a weight of 13 kilograms. From the point of view of the age category, this car seat is usually used no longer than 13 months. The car seat is installed in the car in two ways. It is mounted with the Baby Safe ISOFIX base or Baby Safe belted base. As an alternative, you can use the ordinary 3-point safety belt that is available in every car. As it is for infants, it is possible to install only backwards, that is against the direction of movement of the car. To do this, pass the lower part of the safety belt through the blue guiding points on the sides of the car seat, and the upper part through the large guiding point behind the car seat. The child is fixed in the car seat using the 5-point safety belt. It is the approved and safest way of fixing the child currently, as it effectively protects in case of a collision from any side. To fix the child, you need to pull the additional belt from below the car seat. And in order to loosen them, it is enough to press the button in the hole in the car seat cover and pull the belts. Soft sidewalls create a kind of protective cover for the tiny passenger, reduce the risk of injury to the child in case of side collisions. Special head support and the removable cushion provide the baby with a natural lying position while traveling. When the baby grows up a little, the cushion is removed. The car seat is equipped with the ergonomic and comfortable carrying handle, which distinguishes it from other models. The handle is adjusted after pressing the buttons on its both sides. The shade with protection against wind and ultraviolet radiation of the 50+ level provides extra comfort when traveling in the open-top cars or in the car. It is lowered together with the carrying handle. Click-and-go adapters allow setting the car seat with one quick move, both in the car and in any jogging stroller from Britax Romer. The cover is easily removable and can be washed in the washing machine without detriment to the product. The user's manual, which you will find in the front of the car seat, will help you quickly and securely install the car seat in the car and use it with pleasure. Baby Safe is the light carrier for your baby. The weight of the car seat is only 3.9 kilograms. It is one of the lightest car seats for the newborns currently available in the market. The car seat is versatile and easy to use. You will be able to travel with your baby and easily carry the car seat from place to place, without having to pull the baby out in the car. Effective safety technologies allow you to feel confident and stay calm while traveling with your baby. This seat is approved for use in cars and on airplanes, so you can travel a lot and for a long time. Hopefully our overview was informative for you and will help you to make your choice. Subscribe to our channel. See you soon!